What's up, guys? It is the Angry Drivers here, and today we're going to be playing with a fidget spinner.
Hi.
And with my brother. So, if you don't know what fidget spinners are, they're the toys that spin around. They look like this. Oh yeah, yeah. But they look like this, and you just spin it around. See, like you have it spins.
Yeah, and don't you do the circles, or I don't want you to do the circles.
If you decide to buy one, you can get them at 7-Eleven for like $7. It's crazy.
Yeah, and I want to buy one.
I can bounce on my finger. Everybody can do this, but it's fun.
He bounce it on him thumb. Give him middle finger.
And then if you don't know, these things can go really fast.
And you throw them up in the air and them fly.
Yeah, if you have to spin it like really, really fast, like this, like really fast, and then if you throw it up in the air like that, it'll start flying in midair like this.
But not too long.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yeah, for like a second. Does not look cool.
And John is the one.
Fidget spinners, please sponsor me.
There's the wooden ones. Go to the wooden ones. When them drop them big.
There's also wooden ones, and if you get them, like they break really easily.
Yeah, you drop them.
This is just a regular plastic one, but at 7-Eleven. Okay, time. What time is it? It's time for tricks. But technical difficulty. Okay, if you can't see, like it looks really cool. It looks like it's like going into like a space thing, because in the camera it looks like it's like going all like it looks like it's turning a bunch. Where's my camera? There it is. Looks like it looks all weird, but when you stop it, you just see it's just this. Go away, son. But yeah, if you decide to get a fidget toy, comment down below. Comment down below if you have a fidget spinner. So, Jesus, time for the cinematics. Go. Behind the scenes.
Put it like that. So funny.
Move the freaking head. I'm done. Okay, we're stopping the video. If you like my content, subscribe. If you like this video, leave a like, and yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.